Hey, good morning, guys. How we doing? Well, two things that every single person should be doing in the market right now. Everybody should be scalping. Everybody should be looking for positions where you guys are gaining money in your accounts and looking to rebuy lower. That's exactly what we're doing. The reason why I'm starting this video with these two statements is because there's no other way to make money right now in these markets. Okay? I am not confident that we're just going to keep screaming up here and going into crazy, crazy bull runs right now. And I don't know if you are either. So scalping allows us to take advantage of the sideways movements. And the second part of what I mentioned already is taking out profit when you're at highs and reinvesting in the low. Okay, I'm going to talk about that for 1 second, and then we're going to go over to the analysis. Ethereum did break the greatest structure support that we had, guys, for a bull run back up. That's not good. That is bearish. I'm going to go over the key levels we need to be looking at for where we could be crashing to. Here's what we did, guys. We ended up buying into crypto. We ended up selling 50% of our holdings at the red line up here. We got a really, really good exit. The indicators perfectly called this. Trend exhaustion was high. Well, money flow was high as well. We paired these up together. You guys grab them in the description. This is how we're doing this and how you can do it as well on the next one. We exited up here, 50%. We put 50% of that 50% back in right here at a very strong structure support. And then we put 50%, that remaining 50% of the 50%, back into this level right here yesterday. And I called this out for all the members. So we successfully got a better entry of 12.71% on Ethereum, better entry of 8.71% on Bitcoin. ADA, we got a better entry of 9.37. Mana, 13.68%, guys. We bought back in. That is amazing. This is how you guys start making your money back. It doesn't, listen, guys, you don't have to win trades in the profit as the market goes up to make some money back. You can sell and buy lower. That's another way to do this. I've been showing you guys this principle on this channel, and all you guys who are members here, I've been calling this out for you guys, and we're going to be doing this again. Okay, I'll go through this more here, but I want to show this to you guys. Sign up for a membership. We are going to get into this really deep. We're going to look to do this again when we get back up there. It's just $95 a month. There's only two ways, guys, to make money back right now. Selling it at a high, buying back in lower to acquire more coins, lower your break-even entry, as well as scalping in these markets, which we've got a scalping trade open as well. And we've called out 40% since May 18th. Okay, it's pretty ridiculous. Dogecoin, we ended up gaining a better position of 13.14%, DOT 10.28%, and then two more here. SHIB, we got a 6.65% better entry, and then AVAX 15.16% better entry with our money. We sold up here, and that 50% of the 50% got placed right here. I'm super excited about this because everyone who followed us, you guys now own more coins than you ever started with. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, transition into the second part of this video. We broke down amongst probably the greatest support line we all had, and we're looking at this, and I'm like, oh man, this is either going to tank right now or we're going to get what's called a break and a retest. So let's go over this. What I'm watching for right now on the 4-hour time frame, I'll bring your guys' attention here, is this. We have what's called divergence on Ethereum. Okay, this is bullish, by the way. And we have whales down here that have sold out a lot. They have sold, they've sold, they've sold. And we're starting to see a little bit of a tick back up here, looking like they may start to buy crypto again, in this case, Ethereum. When they start buying, the price starts going back up because they're buying. These are large transactions over here. So here's what I'm looking for and watching for specifically. This is what's called a break and a retest pattern. We're going to get a lot of people who are just shorting into the market here because they think it's just going to crash. If this thing goes back up, which I do think we're going to get a little bit of a rally here because we're going to see trend exhaustion probably try to push the top red section here. The whales have sold a lot. I think they're going to start buying back in a little bit. So we may see a little bit of a move back up here. But you guys need to watch this area right around this level. And it's right about 1,000, I would say 1,100. Pushing back up for a break and a retest. Okay. If this happens, if it happens, it may not happen, but I want to talk about the next greatest structures of support we all need to be watching. The greatest structure I think everyone's going to be watching for is just this very obvious low wick value right here. So we're going to be watching about 998, basically exactly at $1,000, which is a whole numbers. So a whole number is going to be a great place where people are going to look to get in here and buy the dip and ride it back up. If that's broken, we have a buy limit down here at 875, which is simply just the next structure support. Okay, what are the chances of hitting this? Let's go to the 1-day time frame. Let's take a look at the indicators and let them tell us what they want to tell us. All right, let's take a look at this. We have trend exhaustion over here Let me get this a little bit more dialed in. Trend exhaustion in the top red section. Okay, this has plenty of room on the daily time frame, guys, to move down. Plenty. Look at this. Well, money flow, not even close to the bottom yet. Not even close to the bottom. So we have all this room here. Let me go like this and show this to you guys on the daily. We have all this room here to move back down. Last time we pushed up in the top red section here, we ended up seeing a massive market move back down. If I were to say where this is going to end up as far as price when trend exhaustion gets down here, I would say at least we're going to be looking at a structure low here of this. Basically what we've got is we've got pretty much a bear flag here. A bear flag will like to come down to the structure support if you guys look at the technicals of this. Okay, let's get back into this 4-hour time frame here. I want to show you guys something else. All right, if we break down, most likely going to be targeting structure support down here of 875. This is a buy limit that we've got set up. This is going to be a great time to look to get back into the market. The next best time for you guys to replay all of what we just did so you can own more coins, sell at a high, and buy lower is going to be when trend exhaustion hits the top red section right here and well money flow is high. That's what you guys need to be watching for. It's exactly what we watched over here. If you did the exact same thing over here, trend exhaustion, well money flow high, that paired up right about here, you could have exited and entered back in when it got low again, okay? This is how you guys acquire more coins in the market. If you're just going to hold, you're just going to keep losing. If you guys have some money that you can put into the market, like I've shown you guys, I put $50,000 in, and this is the account that we've done this with, the HODL account, okay? Definitely be watching this, guys. This is how you're going to be making some money back. Okay, let me show you this before I end this video. I'm going to show you guys how to set up an alert for the trend exhaustion so you can just basically go throughout your day and you'll get an alert if we hit the bottom red section or the top red section. So follow along with me on this for just 1 second. Go up here, click the alert section, click the little alarm clock here with a plus sign, click this, go to trend exhaustion. I want you guys to do watch. Let's watch for pump first. So watch for pump once per bar. And then down here, you can do Ethereum, watch for pump. Do I have it already? I do, right there. Okay, we're going to create this. This now just created an alert for when this white line comes into the bottom red section right here. You guys will get an alert now to ride this back up if you would like. Also, let's come over here. Let's set up watch for drop. So we're going to go to Ethereum, trend exhaustion. We're going to do watch for drop, which is on default here, once per bar. And we're going to do Ethereum and then watch for drop right there, okay? This is now going to give you guys an alert for when the trend exhaustion hits the top red section, which is what we watched for to exit up here. And this is also what you could have watched for over here to exit up here to end up buying crypto lower. Okay, this called the market drops, I would say, so a 90% accuracy over here. Very, very high accuracy, okay? That is where you're going to be looking for the next time to get money out of the market and then actually buy in lower. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my personal opinions. This is what we're doing, and we're being very successful with this right now. But I want to just make that clear, okay? So definitely be watching that. The indicators you guys need are in the description, and I also pinned it to the first comment. You need trend exhaustion, and you need price to swell money flow. These indicators are making you guys money right now. We also use these for the scalping trades. You guys can get these too. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. If you would like to just get the bundle pack and save yourself the most money, you'll get 82% off. Just click this link here, and you're going to be getting lifetime access to all 9 of our indicators, and that includes the ones I use every day on my charts, which are these 3. All right, guys? I love you. It's a really good day to be trading. Snag the indicators, snag the membership. I have a scalping trade going on right now on one of the coins. I'm going to keep it private because we're keeping it private for our members. But guys, we are scalping this market. We have called out a total of 40% profit since May 18th. We are doing pretty good over here, all right? It's because we're using good metrics, we're using good risk management, we're using good indicators. So I want you guys to be looking at that. Last but not least, I'll show you guys really quick. We're going to look at the charts here. We're going to take a look at Ethereum. So we'll go over here to the charts, do Control F, and let's take a look at Ethereum. I want you guys to watch us at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. Excuse me, this morning, not this evening. Definitely this morning. In 30 minutes, okay? What I'm watching for here is we're most likely going to see Ethereum push down. I think we're going to get probably close to the 70 percentile of a move back up, okay? I really am thinking that if this thing actually breaks down to the downside and we hit that structure support down here, we're going to probably push back into the area of, I would say, about 80 to 90% of a chance of move back up. That's where we need to be watching. When this hit down here, this literally called the bottom of Ethereum before we started moving back up. So I want you guys to watch this. When this gets down to this 90 percentile, it means the market is completely oversold and it's due for a move back up. I want you guys to watch that because this could be the last moment that we actually get to buy crypto before we really start heading back up. Like, how much lower do you guys think some of these altcoins are actually going to go? It's ridiculous how low these coins are. Like, look at Mana over here. Like, we're all the way down here. The buying opportunities you guys have are the best buying opportunities you will probably ever have in your entire life. If crypto really does take off and everything is implemented and the spot ETF comes out, this is your last chance, guys, to buy. I know it's unfortunate that a lot of you guys got super hyped up in the market and you bought a lot and you're down a lot right now. Guys, look to use buy limits. We teach you guys on this channel how to use really, really good risk management, and we use buy limits. And we do literally still have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere. Out of 150,000, we're sitting at 62,600. It's because of the risk management that we use. And I'll teach you this to you guys as you guys follow us in the membership, because I'm just talking about this every day to our members inside our Telegram chat over here. So make sure you guys sign up for the membership, get into Telegram. I give you guys all the updates right here. Click this. It brings you guys over to the website, and you guys will be able to see all the trades I'm getting into, all the trades we're exiting, all the scalping trades we're entering into, all the trades I'm taking, when I'm exiting, when I'm entering back in, everything you guys will get. I will do it all for you guys because I'm doing this for myself. And if you'd like to copy me, you can. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. Everything you need is in the description. Snag those indicators. Get into that membership, guys. Let's start making some money back, just like we've been doing here. And I'll keep leading you guys as best as I can. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.